5, 6, and 7 because 7 is outside that
Okay.
loop body. So we add
Good everyone.
line 5 and 6.
This
Line
is
5
the
to 6
tutorial
will
for
be
Secant
order
Method,
max,
and today I'm using the Secant
order
tutorial
1,
notes. So
and order
going
1.
straight.
And
This is
line
the
5 to
formula for
6
the
is of
Secant
what?
method.
Order 1. Okay.
States
So
x
the for loop in line 4
I
or the
plus
while loop is also
1
a loop.
equals
What is
to
it going to be?
x
You
I
can see that while j
minus
is
f x I
greater than
x
0,
I
and while that is
minus
less
x
equals to 10.
I minus 1
So now you don't see
all
any
over
n, but what is actually the true
f
running time?
x
Temp is ai,
I
and we see
minus
that I
f
is from 2 to n,
x
which is why
I
it's very important
minus
that you look
1.
through the whole algorithm before
And also for the
starting.
second method,
You can see that I
it's like the
is 2 to n
Newton
throughout the
method
whole
is fact that
application.
you have to
So j being I
assume
minus 1
initial values.
is also in
But
the
for
way you
this,
can
you have
say
to assume
2
initial
minus
values
n
of
minus 1,
x0
that is
and
1
x1.
minus n.
That's because
So j is also running
looking
n
at this,
time,
when
meaning the
I
while loop
is
in
equals to
line
0,
4
so
is
be
running n
x1
time.
equals to
So how do I calculate cos
x0
5 and 6? Remember, it's a loop, you
minus
multiply.
f
It will be order n
x0
times order 1.
in
Now
brackets
that's what order n.
x0
So
minus
line 4,
x
5, and 6 is of
minus
what?
1 all over
Order
f
n. Meaning
x0
line
minus
4,
f
5, 6, 7, you
x
add them is of what?
minus
Order
1. Looking at this, you
n.
can see that this is
Okay, I
not
hope we are
possible
following.
because
Line
there's
3
no way to get x,
is
this
of order
x
1. It's a
minus 1.
simple assignment.
So that's why we have to
Line 2
assume
is of order
a
what?
value
Simple
for
assignment.
x0
Meaning line 2 to
because
7
there's even no way to find x0.
is
We have
the
to assume
max.
a
Line
value
2
of
to 7
x0
is the max.
and
Now
for
that's
x1
still order
in
n.
order to
Order n
continue
minus 1
solving.
is same thing as order n. Now we check line 1, just like selection sort.
So as
Line
usual,
1
we look
is
at the
of
equation.
order
The equation
n.
here is fx
And what is inside the
equals to
body?
s squared
Line 2 to 7
minus 3.
is
And
of
then we
what?
can get
Order
x
n.
equals to
So line 1 to 7
square
will now
root
be what?
of 3,
Remembering
which
it's
is
a
equals
loop.
to
It will be order n
1.73205.
times n.
So the way to get our
That is
x
order
initial values of
n
x0 and x1
squared.
is looking at
Okay?
the actual value.
So I hope
Make
we
sure
are
that your
following with
x0
this.
is lower
You
than
start from
the actual value and your
the
x1 is
base,
higher
from
than the
the
actual
base.
value.
And
So in
don't
this
just
case,
cross into loops
my
or into
x0
if
is going
statements.
to be
Make sure that you analyze
1.5,
a loop
which
separately
is lesser
before
than
adding it to the rest.
lesser
So
than
in the exam, when
1.73
exam comes, it's very important that you would have checked
whatever,
the
and
algorithms,
x1
insertion,
equals to 2,
selection,
which is greater than
shell, quick sort, simple sort, and branch sort. Just familiarize yourself with the
1.73205.
algorithms.
So now,
Then make sure you remember their
keeping this
running
in
time,
mind, x0 is
and if
1.5,
possible,
x1
how
is
to
2,
analyze it. If possible, how to
and now
analyze it.
starts. So
Thank you
when
very much.
I
They
equals to
said,
1,
how do you calculate
then
time
this will now be
complexity of recursive
x2
functions? That's going to be
equals
the
to be
next lecture.
x1
Recursive
minus
recurrence relations. How to analyze
x1
recursive functions. So in this lecture,
fx1
just to review, we
brackets
looked at
x1
the
minus
rules. How do you know when
x0
an
all over
algorithm is of order 1? How do you know when it's order n? How do you
fx1
know when it's n raised
minus
to power c? How do you know when it's log n? How do
fx0.
you know when it's log n?
Yes,
Okay.
so setting the
So
values.
also
And the next one is
we looked at some rules.
2.0
If it's a
minus,
sequence
this
of
is
statements, you find the maximum.
2.0
If
square
it's a simple
minus
assignment
3
statement, is order 1. If it's a loop,
bracket
you multiply the body by the
2.0
cost of the loop. If it's an
minus
if statement, you add the
1.5
body to the cost of the if
all
statement,
over
which is usually order 1. So we analyze the
2.0
selection
square
sort
minus
and
3
the session sort. Thank you
minus
very much. Have a great time
1.5
reading.
square, sorry, 1.5 square minus 3. So solving, okay, solving this
Analysis.
2.0 square,
So
sorry,
you're saying that we should probably answer
2.0
some questions.
minus
Test question. Like you gave us
2.0
an
square
assignment of this loop analysis.
minus
Should I do that?
3
You said we should analyze whether
that 431. We should analyze that loop.
bracket
Yes,
2.0 minus
So should I do that one?
1.5
Not take time. It's just one algorithm. I'm just
all
showing
over
you. I just want to
2.0
compress it.
square minus 3.
Then the test was recurrence relation. So what we do
So hold on.
after tomorrow night we can finalize it now.
Minus
Tomorrow is what, Friday?
1.5 square
So exam rush will still start
minus
again.
3.
We still have okay, no. I know Saturday and Sunday I'm reading 431.
So that is equals to
Monday and Tuesday I'm
1.71429.
431 is the one we have to learn. What have to learn
So
431 again?
that x2
431 is
x2 goes to
but it's not hard. I'm not gonna remember the formula.
1.714. So
Eh?
you can see this is already
Yeah,
close
grammar shit.
to the actual value. So
You
you
know,
can
you
just
know,
do one more
too much.
iteration again.
They're not hard. They're not.
So yeah, where I equals to
They're not hard.
2.
They're not hard.
So that'll
I
be
thank God. Today, I actually read emails from
no sorry.
beginning to end. I didn't. I wasn't reading. I just read through to see what
Yes.
discourse is actually
When
going on.
I
It wasn't
equals to 2, to be x
detail.
3 equals
I
to
want to be sure that you are not giving us outside all those end value analysis. I saw
What's
this
it?
past question. What's the
x2
all those
minus
Those
f
are past. We can't use past percentage
x2
because this year's one. It's not the same thing. But from
x2
the way tests have been going,
minus
that will probably be
x1
because I didn't read. That's the reason. I
all over
can't say they were hard.
f
If you read
x2
for those tests, you can get 30.
minus f
Actually, I read it now. That's quality of good software. Now
x1.
paying.
So substitute the values.
I failed it in test.
So we have 1.71429 minus 1.71429
So what's the answer?
square minus 3.
I think I got it.
1.71429 minus 2.0 all over 1.714 square 429 square minus 3
Let me see.
minus
Tutorial now.
2.0 square minus
That note, that
3. So this is the closest you can get. You can continue if you want, but it's good enough, so we'll just stop here for today. Okay, so I'll start with another example. This time our function is f(x) equals to x square minus 1. So x square equals to 1, x equals to 1 equals to 1. So as stated before, for x naught we choose a value lesser than this, and for x1 we choose a value higher. So our x naught, let's choose 0.5, and x1 we choose 1, which is 1.5. Which is 1.5. So putting this back in the equation, so when I equals to 1, this will be x2 equals to x1 minus fx1 x1 minus x not all over fx1 minus fx not. So put the values back. This is 1.5 minus 1.5 square minus 1.5 minus 0.5 all over 1.5 square minus 1 minus 0.5 square minus 1. So the value for this is 0.875. So let's keep on going. So when I is equals to 2, so x3 equals to x2 minus
Is this right side?
fx2
M equals AJ.
x2
No,
It's not.
minus x1
you have to do
all
power
over
4 before you can
fx2 minus
Yeah,
fx1
because if it's inside,
fx1. Sorry about that, resting. So go to 0.875 minus 0.875 square
then why did you do 2 to 4?
minus 1 0.875
because he did 5, 6, and 7. He did 3 and
minus
4, then he did 2. So you have to do 2 to 4, then 2 to 7.
all over
It's the same thing. You could have just
this
done 2 to 7 straight up. You couldn't have changed
0.875
anything. It would have
square
been
minus
max
1
versus max 1. It would have been
minus
max O1,
0.8
ON, and O1.
sorry minus 1 point this is
You just brought it
1.5
down. Okay.
square minus 1
Multiply
Look
by
at this now. You mean it, right? You mean equals J.
so
It's
the answer I got in here is
this one.
0.9737.
How was the other one?
Here we can see that the value for xn is getting closer to the actual value of the root, which is 1. So let's just do one more. So here, when I equals to 3, x4 equals to x3 minus f x3 bracket x3 minus x
This one. If you didn't read
2
from the beginning to
all
confuse you.
over f
Even when I was exceeding, I listened in
x3
class. They were here.
minus
10
f
is AI.
x2.
AI
So
is
this is equals to
So automatically 10 runs to n. J runs to n because J is
0.9737
I. So that's why
minus
this was over that n. There was no n in the statement. But because
0.9737
J
square
runs to n,
minus
J
1
runs to I and I runs to n. So
0.9737
automatically J runs to n.
minus 0.875
Did you pause today? Did you pause?
all over
When you were doing, when you were right.
No, it
0.973
wasn't obvious. Like, as I was saying, I just occurred. I was trying to explain
square
how
minus
this was
1
n. I just was like,
minus
oh. Even when we were explaining class, I forgot. Or it didn't occur to me why I was n. Why I said, like, you see
875
why it's important to
square
read
minus 1.
the algorithm for checking. And now to explain how temp was linked to J.
Solving this, you get
Sorry, temp was linked to I was linked to n, J was linked to I.
1.0018. And this is close enough
Video is 21
to the
minutes.
initial value, which is
So you can start watching.
1, which
This
is 1.
video is
So
21
can
minutes.
stop
Very
here,
long.
and that's all
How long will you
for
want
now.
to do? I'll probably